Hi everyone, and here we are in my very happy place, Northern Ireland. This is right up at the north coast, and this is the area that I'm staying in most of the time I'm there. So I thought I'd take you down onto the beach. This is where my sister and I walk every day, and this is just the most relaxing place to just kick back and enjoy this beautiful view. As you can see, the weather has been quite decent for Ireland. The first week that I've been here, it's definitely been quite warm, where we only needed very light jackets. It's just so lovely to be able to just share a little bit of the highlights while I'm here. I didn't take a lot of videos or even a lot of pictures. I took some things, but not as many as I usually would. I really wanted to just live in the moment and enjoy the time with my family, my friends, and just not have to worry about always having a camera stuck in people's faces. So yeah, there's a guy going by with no clothes on, well, no warm clothes on. This fellow rides his horse every day. Now we're heading around the Antrim coast, and this is just a couple of days after I had arrived, and this is one of my favorite places to go every time I go. It's called Giant's Causeway, and we're going up into the hotel, which is again another place that I have been to many times with all of my sisters. We have stayed in this hotel, and it's absolutely fabulous. The drive around the coast is something we do all the time, and the traffic's not very busy because most of them are on the highway. So here we are, we're approaching the Causeway Hotel. I'll just slow down a little bit here and give you a little view of the entranceway. Not sure what this is. I think it's some kind of a hall. Not really sure what that is, but here it gets a little bit busier. There's lots of tourists coming and going, bus tours, people from all over the world. But as with COVID this year, I would say tourism is down a considerable amount, and there definitely was not the amount of traffic that I would normally see. So here we are, the Causeway Hotel. It's just a beautiful place. My sister and I sat here. I didn't even take pictures. I forgot. We were having too much fun to take pictures inside. But we had a good time, and we had a few little drinks. Well, I did. She didn't drink much. She was driving, so. That's my sister May and I on the beach. And now this is another day where we're heading to another area that I really like to go to, and it's called Port Ballantrae. This is all around the north coast, and the views are stunning, as you can see. Sorry guys, it took me so long to get this video put together, put all these clips together, and get it up for you guys to see. I really haven't been on YouTube a lot. I've been looking at some of your videos, but not an awful lot. This is called Malahide Temple, and then this is another day. This is later on in my vacation, and the sky is really black. We managed to get a walk in. We walked all the way along and back. So we walked at least 3 or 4 miles a day, and we really stayed in shape. Hi everyone, good morning, and I just thought I'd pop in. It is been a week and I'm here, and I'm in my sister's patio, back patio, and behind me, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it or not because we're low down on the patio, but the ocean is right over the top of those houses. And then we will look back here and you'll see the church steeple and scan over this way, and that's the ocean again, all the way the back and the church. We hear the church bells ringing. It's beautiful, it's beautiful. And then my sister's house goes up. I won't show her house, but yeah, it goes up high and we can look out from the window right across the top of these houses. So yeah, that's a little peek at where I am at the moment. And yeah, so, and some houses around the side, so it's nice. Anywho, yeah, I'm having a good time. Weather has been really good, and we have, you can see our clothes on the line there. It's been really nice. What are we doing today? We're going for coffee today with some friends, and then we're heading to Belfast tomorrow, and I'll do a little vlogging once I get to Belfast. We're taking the train. We're staying a couple of days, and then what are we doing next week? Lots of things. I'm going to go visit some family members, and I've been posting. Obviously, you've seen some pictures that I've been posting. So it's been a great time. The week went really fast, and yeah, 2 more weeks to go. So I'm really having fun. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys later, and hope you're all doing well. And I'll try and catch up when I get back with some of your videos. Love you all. Bye. And here we are. We have just arrived in Belfast, celebrating my sister's 80th birthday. We stayed in the Europa Hotel, and it's a fabulous, fabulous 5-star hotel in Belfast City. We drank champagne. We dined out, we went to pubs, we walked, we shopped, we went on the open big double-decker bus, the big open-topped one, and it was fabulous. The weather was great, so we had a really good time. We stayed here for 2 days, and then we went back home. That's the hotel, the Europa Hotel, right there. And yeah, we had such a good time. The food was out of this world, the cocktails, and yeah, just walking around the city. It was just so lovely. It's lovely. Just the two of us spent the 2 days together, and yeah, it was just lovely. And we went into one of the oldest pubs in Belfast. Of course, I couldn't resist. I had to have a glass of Guinness. Then this is my last week, and my niece came to join us for the last week and stayed there, and we had a good time. This is one of my other sisters, and this is a place I love to go, and where my husband's from, which is called Carrickfergus. That's the castle. But not least, the celebration of my sister's birthday. This was a surprise party. She did not know anything about it. We had invited all her friends to a restaurant, and then we arrived with her and completely blew her away. She was so surprised. And here we are, just a couple of us, enjoying some champagne. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.